Our commuters and motorists alike have had to endure the inconvenience of the roadwork in the corporate area. Along Mandela Highway in St. Catherine and Marcus Garvey Drive, motorists have created their own detours to escape the traffic nightmare. Now, TVJ's Kalisha Williams has made the trek and now joins us live. Kalisha, what have you been seeing?
Well, thanks, Archie. Well, the traffic now in these residential areas has been significant, and based on what I've heard, it has different meanings for the residents. While some people complained about limited traffic signs and reckless driving, for others, it's an opportunity for business. Take a look. This is the traffic nightmare motorists using Marcus Garvey Drive in St. Andrew face on a daily basis. The traffic was always here, but it has worsened since work started in April to improve the 3 miles area and Hagley Park Road. To avoid the congestion, some motorists detour through Majesty Gardens, a stone's throw away from the heart of the construction. But the detour traffic is annoying residents.
I have to stand like 2 minutes before I can cross my street. And that's a street where normally just wander across, but now Majesty Gardens change. It's become a detour, a bypass, almost a highway.
Vehicle them afraid, so they might drive extra fast.
One of the main concerns is that drivers are being very reckless when they take this corner. The tire tracks here show just how close they can get to this sidewalk.
The drive for them is just to be careful and caution when they're driving, because the community them is what kids and others and people running up and down, so they have to just be caution when they're driving through. There's no slow sign, there's no kids that play, and it's only a matter of time before the inevitable happen.
People are come at maximum speed and then them come back up on traffic, you understand? So them not even know what to do. And you know most people are not really versed on the driving thing already.
So bad that this resident say there have been 2 incidences of hit and run involving children.
One right or so, and one up there so.
Since the roadwork started?
Since the road work start.
Did they stop at all?
No, them not stop. Because for them idea is that the community is violent.
Nobody know want to eat around here, so. Trust me, not even see if me just have to just try and do my thing fast and go through, you understand? So it a whole way up. Worse even when we come from Spanish Town and go town side. Rough.
Some of the traffic violations were in full display for our camera. This resident is worried about the heavy-duty vehicles.
The wires are low, the tension, the speed where them come through, and a 3 lane them take it for even time.
While some residents are frustrated, others are happy people no longer fear entering Majesty Gardens.
See the road here, we not destroy the road, we not block the road, nothing. See the vehicle them a flow, nobody not terrorize nobody. Some people will live up at Beverly's and Jackson's driving through Majesty Garden now.
For others, more traffic brings more business. This snack stall is a symbol of their creativity.
I have an idea a long time still, but you have other things going on and things. So it's just since lately, Friday, I start and doing it still and take me a look at time.
On Spanish Town Road, the congestion forces some drivers to detour, some going through the nearby Coburn Gardens community.
Now speeding for the road fixing and the road christening, so everybody I try to press on the little piece so they can get zoom again. You know them.
Unlike Coburn Gardens and Majestic Gardens, Development Road has the necessary traffic signs, but still, imminent danger lurks, especially for pedestrians. Incidents like these amplify the need for a pedestrian crossing. Impatient motorists make crossing the street more difficult. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.